Uncle, come now. So way they dress like woman. I go leave you. The way I up.
Who am I?
If I me catch you.
Catch me. Me, I don't do things now for Joss. I don't do things for Joss now. You know, yesterday they beat army. You hear me? I dey kick the smack down now. I dey match army. I dey love them like this. I say I dey punch army.
They punch army.
I tell you.
I dey punch am.
I dey give them.
They give her like this.
Leave that thing now. What they do?
Go punch am. Uncle, put that cap for your back.
Leave that thing. Leave it. No, they go.
If you give me my all, I'll give you.
No more.
Beats by Strategy.
My name.
Good.
Did you see Ami?
Uncle, you can't fight me now. Why are you afraid?
You have to help me, Gidi. You have to help me.
I don't even have muzzle. You even show me your muzzle.
As if you see me, so I'll be blind man.
Be blind man.
You understand?
Hey, Yaro, come here. I demand.
They went for Ami Cup. I demand. They went for Ami Cup.
Gidi, how would them be?
Uncle, they be me now.
And you know tell me how we Ami Cup.
Uncle,
You know tell me
but they
shut up, you don't tell me
You
everything.
tell us we Ami Cup, Abi.
Okay, Uncle, let me tell you something. Be blind man, Abi.
I be blind man. Hey, whoa. This look like gun. It has two mouths. And it sounds like gun.
Well, I think I shoot.
Jesus is Lord.
I thank you very much for watching that Funny Lab Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday. See you on Friday. Please, let me calm down and beg you this one. Please, subscribe to our YouTube channel and share the video. Let me pass for this one. Book us for any kind of event with the number shown on your screen. And also, please, for Harvard, call us. For any game, call us. But please, subscribe. Remember, don't wear army cap. If not, it will sound like gun.